So today's panel was a good conversation about non-bank finance. We're at a banking summit, but all of us represented parts of the financial ecosystem that sit outside of banks. I had the opportunity to talk about equity crowdfunding and how we help businesses that are really pre-bank, that aren't eligible for debt yet, that are high risk but high growth, raise finance online. And it was great to hear some of the other panelists' views on loan services they provide. Regulation is one of these sort of key topics in this space. Certainly in our space, in the equity crowdfunding world and online investment, it's been very helpful. We've worked very collaboratively with the regulators. It has helped create trust. It has helped ensure that we have the right systems and controls in place, that our competitors do, and that this is a genuine investment space that investors can trust. The broader banking space, I know, faces a number of challenges, but the UK has some of the best and most sensitive regulators in the world, and as compared to many other regions, I think that at the very least we should be happy with the direction of travel we're seeing in the UK. The nature of our business is a digital business, and in many ways we were one of the early pioneers, I think, in terms of looking at the digital economy as a way to push financial services forward rather than seeing the digital innovation as a defensive move. So we are an entirely online platform. We use the huge advantages of standardization and digitization to make it easier to do small ticket deals. Seedrs is constantly growing in terms of offering a wider range of really interesting investment opportunities to investors. The great thing about investing in seed and early stage businesses is that although it's a very high risk asset class, it can be very high return, and the opportunity to outperform almost any other investment through a portfolio of these companies is really outstanding. And what we try to do is offer as many choices to investors from both the UK and further afield. We've just recently acquired a US company and we'll be opening up to American investors in the first half of next year. And I think investors should expect to see us continue to offer fantastic opportunities to build tremendous portfolios of great businesses.